Well, that didn't go as planned. So now I'm off to another store. Took an Uber 20 minutes to a Target. That wasn't the right store. Or they didn't have dress pants. So we're off to another place because it is 8:30, and we're gonna try our Ross. But it's our anniversary, and I want to be able to wear something nice to dinner. Okay, so I'm waiting on another Uber. I've been to Target, Ross, and now I'm just going to go to Macy's and bite the bullet. We were supposed to get on board at 10:30, and it's 10 o'clock right now. It's almost 10 o'clock. So we'll be a little late getting on board, but that's okay. The fun will still be waiting. So I'm in an Uber back to the hotel, and we managed to find the first pair of pants that were on the rack. So now it's back to the hotel, get the luggage, and off to the ship. There we go. We're getting on board. Alright, we're getting on board. Super fun. 30th anniversary cruise has begun. Alright, Carnival Horizon, here we come. Alright, we're going to get a little food. Some guys big and anchor to start the day. It'll be super fun. Oh, and this way we go.
Some of the pork butts and sausage.
Hello. Good.
All day, Jen.
That's good.
I'll try some of the
And
sauce.
just a little bit of mac and cheese. Just so I can taste it. Just a tiny bit. There you go.
Anything else?
I think
The baked beans.
a little piece of beef.
I'll do it. Thank you.
Perfect. Well, thank you.
That's it?
Hey, I get some mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese?
Yeah. Let's get some pork butt.
Pork? Okay. Want to try
A
some
little
beef?
bit of this beef.
Want to try some chicken?
No, thank
Some
you.
sausages?
No, I think that's. This is just my starter.
Okay. Enjoy, sir.
Thank you. Alright, away we go. Somehow I've ended up with 2 forks and 2 knives. Guys picking anchor's pretty good today. Somebody else's is too.
Carnival Horizon and he's saying, oh yeah! Let's do this. Alright, come on. I want to see you wave. Starting from there, right around. Then you're gonna wave going on. 1, 2, 3, wave. What was that? Now go forward, give you a spin. Take it to the go ahead. Go ahead. And 2. Go 3. Spin it up. You slow. Come on. Get it up. Get it up. To the right. Let me hear you sing. Aye. Let me hear you say yeah.
Horizon. We've got some video of the sail away. We're going to try to catch it right as we leave Miami, going up to sea. Super fun. Wish you were all here.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. Maybe one of these days we'll try to do a group cruise with
With our fun fam.
our fun fam and Tropic Breeze Travel, and who knows. But yeah, we'll be, vlogging along the way. So come along with us and let's go cruising. Hey fun fam, so that's it for today. We're gonna shut it off. It's our anniversary, and romance is in the air. Well, the whole cruise is our anniversary, but romance is in the air, and well, we're gonna take this time for us tonight. So hopefully you enjoyed the video, and we'll share some details of the evening with you tomorrow morning when we get ready to do whatever it is we're gonna do tomorrow. So hey, we're signing off.
Lady by the pool.
Oh, that sounds like a good plan. So thanks for checking in with us. Thanks for following, and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully you won't miss any of our future videos. So hey, have fun. We'll see you later. Bye.